Looks like Nothing's back at it with another smartphone launch. The company just dropped a teaser confirming a new device will be unveiled on March 4th, 2025. While they didn't officially name the phone yet, Flipkart might have let the cat out of the bag. For a short time, their teaser page URL included Nothing Phone 3A, which was quickly changed to Nothing Arcanine before the page went offline. Interestingly, even though the page wasn't accessible, the URL stayed live, making it pretty clear we're looking at the Phone 3A, coming before the Phone 3. Definitely a shakeup from their usual release cycle. Now, here's where it gets fun. Arcanine, as in the Pokemon character, seems to be the codename for this phone. And this isn't just a random coincidence. Nothing actually posted an image of Arcanine on X a while back. It's very on brand for Nothing to keep things quirky and mysterious, right? As for specs, here's what we know so far. The Nothing Phone 3A is rumored to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. It's a decent processor for a mid-range device, but honestly, I'd love to see it upgraded to the 7 Plus Gen 3 instead. Since these are just reports, there's always hope for a surprise on that front. The phone is also said to pack a 5,000 mAh battery. While that's not exactly beefy by today's standards, some devices are offering 6,500 mAh these days. It should still easily last a full day. Oh, and it'll support eSIM as well. On the camera side of things, Nothing's teaser hints at a newly designed camera island, and leaks suggest we might see a telephoto sensor in the rear setup. If that's true, it'd be a first for Nothing, and honestly, it's an exciting addition. But there are still some big questions. Will Nothing also launch a Phone 3A Plus alongside the regular version? If you ask me, after how the Nothing 2 and 2A situation played out, I'd rather they hold off on a Plus model for now. And what about the Phone 3? Could it show up at the same event? It's all speculation for now, but with March 4th just around the corner, we won't have to wait long to find out. With that said, we are at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.